Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and playing around with the Ice Cream beauty box. I'm so excited to get this box this month. I cannot tell you. So really quick, if you're not familiar with the Ice Cream beauty box, it's $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. This is a box that is very heavily towards makeup. You get very little skincare. And if you use code Michelle10, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription. I don't make anything off of it. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money. And if you like these try-on videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I'm random over here, girl. I upload twice a week, but they are on different days. But yeah, I'm so excited to get into this box. So first of all, we're going to pull out the card, which is March, and it says, "Lucky to have you." I love that. It's so cute. We're lucky to have ice cream, girl. Okay, so we're starting with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me, but this month is going to be a good one, and let me tell you why. Because St. Angel Sinners has teamed up with Ice Cream, and they created a palette together. This is the Yummy palette, and girl, let me tell you, I am so excited for this palette. First of all, look at how gorgeous this palette is. Second of all, St. Angel Sinners formula is really good. The quality is amazing. Like, the quality on these eyeshadow palettes is high-end quality. I cannot say enough good things about St. Angel Sinners. Absolutely love the formula. I actually have another palette from them that we got in a Slay Glam box, and I use it all the time because I really do love the formula that much. The names on here are adorable. Candy Girl, Minty, Sugar Pie, Honey Bunch, Blue Moon, Sugar Sugar, Tutti Frutti, Pour Some Sugar. Oh my god, Cotton Candy. I love this. This is so adorable. I mean, the palettes are always amazing from St. Angel Sinners, so I didn't expect anything less. And this palette retails for $48, and I mean, the quality is there, so I can see why it's a $48 palette, to be honest with you. Okay, girl, so next up is this Bow Down Brow Gel by Queen Studio, and this retails for $16. Oh, okay, I thought the little applicator was going to be smaller, but that's kind of big. If you have thinner eyebrows, this is going to be probably hard to use. Like, literally, I'm used to using this brow gel. Let me just do a little comparison. Do you see how much bigger that brow? I wish it was smaller. I'm usually not a fan, but I'm glad it's clear because at least it won't get everywhere. But I was asking because last month we got a mascara and I had got on their website and it said that they were featured in BoxyCharm. But this is the product that they featured in BoxyCharm. Somebody finally was like, no, it was the brow gel, not the mascara. So actually, if you've been getting BoxyCharm, you've probably already gotten this. But I'm excited to try it. I really enjoyed the mascara, so I'm excited to try their brow gel. Okay, so we got a makeup base eyeshadow primer by Bella Pierre, and this retails for $19. I swear that we had already gotten this before, but I think it was this. This is one from Bella Pierre, and this is their eyelid primer. This actually came in a kit that we got out of, I want to say Slay Glam, but you can see that there is like a color difference. So I'm excited to try that one. I do not mind getting eyeshadow primers in my box. So next up, we got a watermelon scented matte lipstick by KNC Beauty, and this retails for $28. And I love when subscription boxes send us kits like this. I mean, you're getting 6 lipsticks. That's pretty cool. And like, I can already smell the watermelon scented, so that's pretty cool. Oh, the packaging is nice, and they slide out like this. Okay, cool. So we have 6 different shades here. Yeah, they're definitely watermelon scented. They smell so good. Oh, this is like a chocolate brown. Just do like a little swatches for you. Okay, I guess that's a little bit lighter brown, but they're pretty close. So I like the browns. I'll definitely wear those. Ooh, I don't know if I'll wear that color or not. You know, I was thinking, I wonder if I can use these as like a blush. I think we're going to try that today because I haven't set my makeup because of that liquid highlighter we're getting. But those kind of look the same color too, don't they? I guess this one is actually a little bit darker than that one. Ooh, That's a pinkin'. That would be a pretty blush though. And then last but not least, ooh, that one. Now that's my color right there. So I like this one and these two back here. Me and my mother-in-law, because she gets this box, will probably do like a trade-off. But I think I might try one of these colors as a blush today. Maybe that really pink one. And then last but not least is a liquid gold highlighter by Bella Pierre, and this retails for $25. Now I'm excited for this. I love getting liquid highlighters. Ooh, okay, it comes out quickly, so don't squeeze the tube too much because it came right on out. But ooh, very pretty. I obviously put way too much, but that is gorgeous. See, Bella Pierre, I really like their stuff though. I really do. I know some people say that you can get it at like TJ Maxx or whatnot, but I think somebody even told me Five and Below, which if that's the case, girl, I'm going to Five and Below and check them out because I really do like the quality of Bella Pierre. The quality is good, so I'm glad that we get them in our box here. So the only thing I have done to my base right now is I have my foundation, my eyebrows, my concealer, my liquid bronzer. And I think I am going to use one of these. Okay, I'm just going to try a little bit of this pink one. Ooh, that looks very bright. And we're just going to blend it out. Because not everybody is going to like these for a lipstick. But we're going to use it as a blush. Just using my damp beauty blender just to blend it out. I probably didn't need that much, but that's okay. We'll fix that with the setting powder because I haven't set anything. And just blend it out. And I mean, it's working really good as a liquid blush though. It's not looking patchy or nothing on the skin. So I do like that. So if you got a color that you're like, no, I probably would not use that as a lipstick, try it as a blush and see if you like it as a blush because that looks cute. And I do like that as a blush, actually. Okay, so now I'm going to try some of my liquid highlighter, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and just tap it out. And this is so pretty. Okay, so I keep squeezing the tube like way too hard, y'all. Like way too hard. I love this. Okay, so now I'm going to set my under eyes and stuff really quick. I'm just going to set everything down. And I'm just going to go ahead and set this blush down with this Manna Kadar little blush compact we got. I think we got this out of Slay Glam. Yeah, I think it was Slay Glam. Girl, it's so hard for me to remember like which boxes I got what out of. I'm like, I don't know. But super cute. I love it. I think it looks good. Let's go ahead and do our lips really quick because I want to see how this lipstick's going to dry down and everything. So I think I'm going to use this lightest shade here today. That comes off more pink. I kind of don't like how pinky that is. I might add a little bit of this dark brown. Yeah, so I'll just take the dark brown and like kind of smear it out with my finger a little bit. It doesn't feel too sticky. We'll give it a few minutes to dry down while we're doing our eyeshadow look. And I'm so excited for this. Okay, so now I'm going to get out the little eyeshadow primer here and prime my lids. I'm just putting it on a fluffy brush. And I'm so excited to get this eyeshadow palette out. I mean, can we just, oh my God, swatch a couple? Like, look at the whites. Okay, this one pulls more green. This one pulls more purple. I mean, these are like butter. Like, literally, they feel like so smooth and buttery. It's insane. Let me try sugar. Oh, sugar. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? These are like duochromes. And then pour some sugar. Ooh, another duochrome. I mean, these are gorgeous. They are so pretty in person. Like, camera does not do these justice by any means. And when you receive yours, you'll know what I'm saying. It doesn't do any justice for these shades. Because, I mean, these shades are gorgeous. I'm so excited. Okay, so what am I going to do here? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with this matte purple right here. And usually with St. Angel Center's formula, you can start off light and build it up. So I love that. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush into Honey Bunch, and I'm just going to start feathering that in my crease. I'm putting it in my crease and then bringing it up to the brow. Again, I'm going to start in the crease and then we're going to work it up. This purple is beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush. This brush is a pretty dense brush, and I'm going to go into that same Honey Bunch color, that same purple, and I'm going to start packing that on the outer crease. And the reason why I switched brushes and I'm not using fluffy, I'm using more of a dense brush, is because I really want to build this purple color up. I mean, do you see what I'm saying by how sheer you can sheer it out, or how pigmented you can get these colors to be? And let me tell you, these are just gorgeous. One of the easiest eyeshadow formulas I've ever used. Honestly, they do exactly what you want them to do. And then I'm just gonna bring this right around into my crease, just to deepen the crease up a little bit and to kind of feather this out. Same thing over here, bring it around into the crease. I've been really into purple eyeshadows lately anyway. I've just been really loving to play around with some purple. I'm going to go ahead and use a flat brush, and I'm going to go into this pretty shade right here that matches my nails. It's so cute. And this is called Blue Moon. And just, oh yes, look at how beautiful that is. Okay. Oh yes, I love it. I mean, these are just so smooth. This teal color is so pretty. And I don't have another like pressed pigment in my collection that is like this color, but this shade right here, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back with that little bit of purple and just kind of blend the two. Oh, that is so pretty. I love it. I love it. Okay, going back with the first brush and just gonna blend out. Oh Lord, isn't that so pretty? So pretty. I love it. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna go into purple yam right here, and I'm gonna add that over top of, just because it's a shimmer, and you know me, I love a shimmer. So I just want to put like a little bit of shimmer over top of that outside color. Ooh, and it layers really nicely too. Okay, yes, that's looking so cute. I'm going to go back with that first brush and blend out. So now I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and put in my waterline. So now for my lower lash line, I'm going to do the outside in the purple. And I'm going to use the shimmer purple. And then I'm going to do the inner portion in this blue. I'm going to start with purple yam, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. I love this palette. I knew I was going to love this palette though. Like, I have been waiting for this palette. And then now I'm going to go into Blue Moon, and I'm going to add that to the front part. Yes. Ooh, I love this. This blue is gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going to take, so I'm going to put a little bit of Candy Girl up here. Yeah. Whoa, I accidentally dug in there too much, girl. Okay, so. Yeah. So I put Candy Girl under my brow bone. And then I put Tutti Frutti on the inner corner, and I like that better. Okay, so again, going back with that first brush and blending out. Okay, so I'm going to pop on some lashes really quick because I think this look needs a lash. Okay, girl, so I got some lashes on, and I just absolutely love how this look turned out. I love the teal and the purple together. I think they look so good. Okay, so last but not least, let's go ahead and try out this brow gel here. The wand's not as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, I will use this. I have like a thicker brow anyway, so it doesn't fit my brow too bad. But if you have really thin eyebrows, I don't know if this is going to work for you. But overall, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's changed the color of my brows or anything. So we'll see how it lasts, but so far so good. Okay, girl, so that is the completed look. I absolutely love how everything turned out. I kind of feel like I need a gloss for my lip though, but so just the lip liner is coming off, not the actual lipstick, so I like that. I like when lipsticks dry and actually stay. Okay, so I'm just going to top it with this Essence, clear gloss, just because I like a gloss. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay, girl, so you already know this is my favorite thing that we got this month. This palette is so good. I love St. Angel Center's formula. It's that good. And I'm so happy about this palette. It's such a pretty palette. I cannot say enough good things about it. And I know you're going to love it just as much as I do. I love the liquid highlighter, but I always love liquid highlighters. It's usually not one that I don't love unless it's like looking patchy when you put it on, but this one did not look patchy when you put it on. I would say though, be careful when you're squeezing it out because I kept squeezing too much. So with this, so far so good. It's clear. It didn't change the look of my brows, so I will keep using that. I love when we get eyeshadow primers. I always use them. I am a believer in eyeshadow primer. I think that they do help your eyeshadows last, so I'm always happy to get one. And then our little 6-piece kit here. This is a great value to get in our box, and I really loved the pink one as a blush. Because that bright pink, girl, is, I probably will never be able to wear that as a lipstick, but as a blush, I loved it. So, get a little multi-use out of these. But I do love the formula. It dries down, it doesn't stay sticky, but it doesn't feel like overly drying to your lips. So, I do like that. Okay, girl, so that is everything. As always, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!